Welcome in YouTube. My name is Ben, and today I'm going to be doing a barbecue smoked meatloaf on the Big Green Egg featuring Plowboys Bean Buddy, and also going to use a couple products I've never used before. The Big Green Egg Egg Genius, we got that, and we have the J.J. George torch. So both I've heard a lot about, good things, and just excited to try all this stuff. I'm pretty sure this meatloaf is going to come out phenomenal, so just stay tuned. Alright, so here's how the J.J. George works. It's really simple, really cool. Really like the design of this thing. You just turn this on, you're going to hear the propane immediately. There it is. And then literally, boom. You can control it. Tone it down, kick it up a notch, full blast. Really awesome. Now it's time to light that egg. Alright, from there I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Give it some oxygen. Alright, to get this prepped out, in the bowl we have 1.5 pounds of 80/15 ground beef, a ½ pound of breakfast sausage. I just picked up the Smithfield's breakfast sausage. You can find it pretty much anywhere. And to add to that, we're gonna get 1 full cup of that Bean Buddy. Minced onions, ½ cup. We have cubed up ½ cup of mozzarella, ½ cup grated Parmesan, last but not least, a lightly beaten egg. And then we're just gonna get on in there and work that together, form it into a loaf. I forgot to add the breadcrumbs. So last but not least, 1 cup of panko. Plowboys bovine bowl, gonna season it with that. All right, quick update on the cook. Got the meatloaf on, everything's rolling good. Pretty much 250, right where I wanna be. Went ahead and decided to not do the Egg Genius today. Had a little bit of difficulty getting everything set up. So first test run on that wasn't really a success. We'll have to, revisit that next time, but really loving the J.J. George. All right, this meatloaf looks amazing. I've already started to bring the temp up. We're shooting for around 350, and it's time to put that Bean Buddy on. Man, that looks incredible. So I'm pretty much just gonna pour this over the top and spread it out with a basting brush. All right, there's the end result. This thing looks fantastic. It's a little dark outside, I had to put the flash on, but man, looks awesome. I'll tell you what, I need to recalibrate my thermometers, man, because I almost overcooked this bad boy. But damn.